Good evening everyone, my name is Lisandro Barros from 1A15. This video presentation is all about ASEAN integration. Now let's begin. What is ASEAN integration? ASEAN integration is a part of ASEAN Association of Southeast Asian Nations established in 1967. Its goal is to strengthen the economic, political, and cultural ties among Southeast Asian nations. ASEAN is composed of 10 members countries: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Why is it important? It aims to bring prosperity and peace to the region. Objective of Asian integration: strengthen the economic through the Asian Economic Community, facilitate free trade within the region, no tariffs on products, promote collaboration in education, disaster response, and security. Benefits: economy creates more jobs and business opportunities. And education: scholarship programs like the ASEAN University Network. Travel: easier travel within ASEAN countries due to visa-free policies. Challenges: economic disparity. Some countries like Laos, Myanmar, etc. are less developed compared to others. Cultural differences: not all countries share the same language or traditions. Political variances: difference in political system, democracy versus military rule, can cause tensions. Impact on the Philippines: boost in agriculture and technology industry, increase the foreign investments and opportunities for workers. ASEAN integration is crucial for the development of Southeast Asia. While there are challenges, the unity of this nation is key to the region's success. Through cooperation, ASEAN can achieve its goal of prosperity and peace. And that's all. Thank you.